get you area.
Welcome to...
It's time to play toys.
Look at Evan, what are we gonna do today?
We're gonna play Nerf Battle.
We got Olivia versus Evan. Alright, let's see who wins today's battle.
Hey Evan, are you ready? I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you area. Evan, I'm gonna get you. It's my turn to get you. Oh no! Ah! You can't get me. Check this out. Check out my power blaster. Hey, I'm gonna get you. Oh yeah? I'm gonna get you.